Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, XIAOMI Mi Air Purifier 3C, and now I can show you how to change the brightness of your screen on this device. Okay, to do it, you just need to open your XIAOMI Mi Home application, then click on your Mi Air Purifier, then just check it. Here you will see light option, click on it, and here you will see there are three functions: bright light, dim light. This option make screen of your XIAOMI Mi Air Purifier dimmer, and you can turn off your screen. In this mode, using this mode, your device will work, but display will not work. And that's it. I can show you how it looks. So just see it. As you can see, now I am using the bright mode, dim mode, and as you can see, turn off. But the device is working. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.